Just about every real estate agent will promise to sell your home. I'll guarantee it. Hi, I'm Samuel Weiner. I guarantee in writing to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I'll buy it myself. Because I sell 10 times more homes than the average area agent, I can do more to sell your home. According to board statistics, my clients' homes sell on average 3.6% more money and sell nearly twice as fast versus selling with your typical real estate agent. And if I don't do everything I promise, you can fire me because I don't require any long-term listing contracts. I have to earn your business every day. Right now, I have over 5,200 local and Bay Area buyers in my database looking for homes. Your home may already be sold. To discuss the sale of your home, call me at 530-313-4084. I guarantee in writing to sell your home at a price and time frame you agree to, or I'll buy it myself.